So in this particular video, we are going to see how to fill the production form properly for the there so that there won't be any dispute regarding the billing or regarding the invoice. Okay, so few things I just want to make clear here is that these production forms that we are going to share new production form every month. So this particular production form is valid from 21st Feb to 20th March. So this is the 30 days billing period that we are considering. So on the 21st March, uh, we will share one new production form with you. So make sure you are providing all the entries in this form on the very same day, because if you will provide some entries in the back date, that means those entries won't be considered and won't be billed. So it is always mandatory to make this production form updated on a daily basis. So first of all, how to fill this particular form? So it is very simple. What we need to do is that whenever we are working, kindly choose your name and the ID in which you are working. Then the date authored means it will be today's date, or the date that we see in the our ID in the My Solution section. Okay, so we will cover all these things. So I will just go through the next section. So here we will choose our subject, for which subject we are submitting this form. And if we are choosing for the this option, sub subject is only for valid for the other math subject. If you are not a math expert, no need to provide any entry here. Then comes the question tag. So in the question tag, whenever you are solving any question, you will see some tags here. Just after the student question, there will be some box. In that box, there will be either written live or ST or anything like that. If something is written like that, in that case, choose this option. If nothing is written, then choose no tag. Then there comes the question tag. So what we have to fill in question tag? So whenever you get any question, you will click here, show transcript text. So it will convert that particular image into a text format, and then simply copy this and paste here in the particular Google form. Next comes the what is safe to solve. So if the question is having any safe to solve tag, means this particular tag will be visible here in the green color. If there is no tag, that means there is no safe to solve. So we can simply choose no. And if we are choosing no, then there's no need to provide any screenshot here. Now we can click here on the start solving, and we can do start our solution as we are doing. Okay, so make sure whenever you are solving any question, right, in your IDs, so you follow the proper structure. Step one, you need to write, then explanation section, and let's say I'm just writing here. So as you are doing your first question, so what you need to do, once you are done writing your step one, then you will add explanation section from here. Then step two you will write, and then here add here explanation section. Then once you are done, click on next, then final solution. So at this particular page, you will get this option, preview your solution. So always click on this solution in this particular button, and now you can access the your solution in a one go. So all the steps you can see in this particular single screen. So before submitting any solution on your IDs, as you are new experts, you have been recently given the IDs. So for initial 1 or 2 days, you need to follow this particular process. Take the screenshot of this particular page whenever before posting your solution, and then share in the group and ask for any feedbacks, or if some changes are required, then we can do the necessary changes. But make sure you have a sufficient time left here for all the changes and all the feedbacks. So make sure you are not sharing the screenshot at the end of the 2 hours. So at least 30 minutes you should have for all the feedbacks and correction time. Okay, so always follow this process for initial 2 to 3 days. Next thing is that after you are checking your solutions, make sure you are checking your solutions for the plagiarism also. So how we have to check the plagiarism? So for checking the plagiarism, same link given on the this particular production form. So click here, plagiarism checker link. It will open one page. Paste your solution here. Then let it run. It is success. Now click here on the check plagiarism. So it will check your solution for the plagiarism. So sometimes the solution is lengthy, that's why it is not checking. So once the plagiarism check is running, we can simultaneously check for the AI content checker. So for that, go here on the 0GPT, then simply paste your solution and click here detect text. So make sure you are checking your solutions for the AI and plag before submitting on the portal, because this particular portal have a anti-AI enabled now. So whenever you click here done and submit your solution, it will check your it will automatically run the anti-AI, means the portal will check your solutions for the plagiarism and for the AI content. And if they have found any plagiarism or AI content, in that case, the questions will be going to auto escape. So that means the time that you spend in order to create this solution, it will be like completely wasted because of the AI and plag. So in order to resolve this issue, we are checking the AI and plag by some third party tool so that our solutions won't get auto escaped at the end. Okay. So now you can see there is no AI. So we can simply go here on the production form and we can mention here, this is a human text. It is written here. And then for the plagiarism checker, the report is generated, I guess. Yes, this report is generated. So how to share this report with us? Now you can see there is a 47% plagiarism in the solution. So how to resolve this plagiarism is that kindly check these highlighted lines. So just rewrite these lines so that the plagiarism will be decreased. So once the plagiarism is decreased, then only you will submit your solution on the portal. Otherwise, it will be skipped automatically. And after the plagiarism content is 0, then what you need to do, click here on the share button. So it will open one page. Now in this particular page, the complete report is there for that particular solution. Now right click, copy this particular flag report and paste here on the production form. So that let's say in the review, when the check QC will going to check your solution, if they provide any negative feedback regarding plagiarism on AI, we can share these reports with them to justify our case. So these entries we need to submit. Now comes for the safe to solve tag. Okay, so safe to solve means how we can see the safe to solve tag. So whenever any question is violating HCV, means honor code violation, but still Chegg wants us to solve these questions. In that case, these green tags will be visible on your question. And whenever we are trying to skip that question, we will going to see this kind of window. You do not need to skip the question. It is safe to solve. So that means whenever we are getting these tags, always take a screenshot and then attempt, because this tag is visible only for you. Whenever we will do the QC of these solutions, or QC team will not going to see these tags, and they can provide us a negative feedback also. So these are the tags that I'm talking about. So whenever we see any kind of these tags, take the screenshot like this, complete page screenshot, not the partial. Okay, time and everything should be visible. Complete page screenshot kindly take and provide the particular link here on this particular our production form. So for generating these screenshot links, what we are doing is that we are using this screenshot tool, that is the light shot. So click here, it will open. So either we can download the light shot for complete Windows, or we can simply download the Chrome version of this light shot tool. So go into the Google Chrome, click here light shot Chrome Web Store. Then you will see a install option here. As I have already installed, that's why it is not visible. Then go here and then just pin this so that it will be easily accessible. So now whenever I just want to take a screenshot, I will simply click here. I will drag and drop. Either I can copy the screenshot also. So for copying the screenshot, I will use this button. And for generating the links for the Google form, I will choose the first button. So if I will click here on the first button, upload to print screen. So it will upload that particular screenshot onto the web, and it will going to provide me a link. So this particular link I will simply copy for the save to solve screenshot, and I will paste here in the particular Google form. Okay, and then comes the UUID. UUID means each solution will have a unique ID. So this ID will help us a lot, like whenever our IDs are getting revoked or some quality concerns are there. So for that purpose, we are using these IDs. So how to generate the UID? It is very simple. Simply right click on the home page. Make sure you are on the home page of this Chegg portal. Right click here on the inspect, and then click here on this menu, and then click on network. Okay, and the network you will going to see lot of options. As I have already applied the filter, that's why nothing is there. So in the filter you need to type GraphQL. Okay, and then enter. So now what how to like fetch the UID? So UID we can only get after submitting the solution. So once you have submitted the solutions, go into the home page, click here on the Q&A authoring, then click on this first link. So like I just click on this solution. Now the second link, that is the this one. Always pick the last GraphQL link, not the first one. Always the last one. In the last one, if you click here, you will get a UUID here. So we can expand here, and then we can simply copy this UUID. Copy this and paste on the production form. And while pasting the UID, make sure you are removing this inverted commas. UID should always be without these commas. Now we can submit. I will repeat the complete process one more time in order to make it clear for you guys. So on the home page, right click here on the inspect, then go on the network. Right now there is a filter I have applied, but I am just removing the filter for your sake. You can see now we can simply refresh, then click here on the Q and authoring. Then you can see here there will be a lot of things available, so we will simply filter out. We need only GraphQL. Okay, GraphQL and enter. So now we will pick the last QL ID, GraphQL ID only. Okay, just click here, GraphQL, just copy the UUID and paste in this particular form.